Let's move on and look at part D. Brian Nyanam has recently completed a Monte Carlo simulation analysis of a collateralized mortgage obligation tranche. His analysis includes 6 equally weighted paths with the present value of each calculated using 4 different discount rates. The table below illustrates this information. You can see each representative path provided there, 1 through to 6, 50 basis point spread, present 60 basis point spread, and 70 basis point spread. The actual market price for the CMO tranche being valued is 70.17. Required, determine the tranche's option adjusted spread, OAS, right there. So the option adjusted spread is the spread that tries to ensure that the present value of each representative path is equal to the market price. So what am I saying? You can be able to see the 70.17 there, and we can see at 50 basis points, 60 basis points, and 70 basis points, which representative path, or rather, which present value, when averaged out, will be able to produce the 70.17. So let's put it down right over here and say this is part D, right over there, 50 basis points. So we just add all of those values for each representative path 1 through to 6 there and get the average of that to see whether it equals 70.17. Remember, our target is 70.17 right over there to see if the present value is the same. So we have the following. We have 70 plus, we have 73 plus 68 plus 71 plus 77 plus 75 equals, then we divide by 6, divide by 6, you can see it's 72.33. Average is equal to 72.33, like that over there. Then that is at 50 basis points. Now in the next case, we are looking at 60 basis points, 60 basis points. There we are just getting the average of those values there. So we have 68 plus 70 plus 66 plus 69 plus 75 plus 73. We add all of them and divide by 6. Divide by 6 like that. So we have 68 plus 70 plus 66 plus 69 plus 75 plus 73. 421 divided by 6, 70.16. As you can see, 70.166 or 70.17, this is the same exactly as that right over there. But let's see if also the 70 basis points spread yields the same. So 70 basis points right there. I doubt if it will actually be the same as the 70.17. However, it's good for us to be complete, and we need to ensure that we are complete about all the computations that we do. So we are saying we have 68 plus 68 plus 64 plus 68 plus 73 plus 71 over 6. So we have 68 plus 68 plus 64 plus 68 plus 73 plus 71. We have 68.67. So we are saying that in this case, to answer the question, we are saying that the option adjusted spread is 60 basis point. The option adjusted spread is 60 basis points. Basis points. 60 basis points. The reason is you can see the 70.167, which is 70.17, is the same as the 70.17, which you've been told is the value of the CMO.